Hello everybody, it's Brian, your sales consultant from Steele Hyundai, located at 3625 on Kempt Road in Halifax. Today I'll be showing you the 2021 Hyundai Kona in the ultimate trim with all-wheel drive in Atlas White. The versatile multi-purpose subcompact SUV is a great fit for those with active lifestyles. Let's start with the front of the vehicle. We have curved contour lines that narrow down to a black bold grille with 3 sets of lights starting on the top, with LED daytime running lights on the top, and just below there are LED headlights, and located on the bottom are LED projection fog lights. We have functional air vents that help with the aerodynamic function and the fuel efficiency of the vehicle. We have these sporty blade type designed 18-inch alloy rims, modern design side mirrors with LED signal indicators, and keyless entry. We have the molding that goes along the bottom of the vehicle, protecting the vehicle from any rocks that kick up from trailing one of those large trailers, or when you're on a dirt road heading to one of those boutique vineyards in the Annapolis Valley. In the back, we have wraparound tail lights and signal indicators, and the trim continues along the back with electronic sensors. The cargo space has an available 543 liters of storage and 1,274 liters of available space when the back seats are down. What I really love about this cargo space is the unique adjustable floors. It's great for moving taller items like plants. Now let's talk about the performance of this Kona. Comes equipped with a 1.6 turbo GDI 4-cylinder engine with 7-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. This engine produces 175 horsepower with 195 pound-feet of torque. All-wheel drive is a very convenient feature when you need for some light off-roading on your summer vacation, or you just need that extra little traction during our Nova Scotia winters. It comes with multi-link suspension, giving the Kona a smooth ride and improved handling. Fuel economy is coming in at 9 in the city, 8 in the highway, and an 8.6 combined over 100 kilometers. Now let's check out the interior. At first glance, you'll see a layout that's wide, expansive, with great headroom. We have a streamlined, modern dash with advanced features everywhere. Starting with this user-friendly 8-inch touchscreen display with navigation. Also has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, integrating your phone right into the display. Wireless charger, BlueLink. We have a driver mode that goes from normal, eco, and sport mode. We have premium leather seating with leather wrapped steering wheel. Both come heated. Power sunroof. Now when it comes to safety, this 2021 Kona Hyundai has spared no expense. Comes with 6 airbags, backup camera, heads-up display, high beam assist, LED headlights with active cornering, forward collision assist with pedestrian warning, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, driver attention warning, stability control, downhill assist, blind spot monitoring, parking reverse warning, rear cross traffic assist. The car practically drives itself. And that's a wrap for the 2021 Hyundai Kona. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at Steele Hyundai at 902-454-1000, HRM's preferred Hyundai dealership.